What's up, everyone? Wanted to get on here and catch you up on life. You are not familiar with who I am. My name is Meredith. I am the creator and owner of artsandclassy.com and this channel. I feel very candid right now because I worked at my kickboxing studio all morning and had a lot of errands to run, and I just wanted to get on here to kind of give you a little brief intro to this video. If you're not, if you don't already know, I am moving. I just got married like last week, and now my husband and I are moving to Denver, Colorado. So check out this whole process of us basically completely packing up our home and our lives and shifting and moving to another part of the country. We live in Southern California currently, so just wanted to take you along on the whole process of packing, moving, and I'm gonna take you guys on my road trip that we take when we drive from Cali to Denver. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos. And if you want to stay tuned and want to get those updates, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Check that down below. Make sure you give a thumbs up to this video and click on that little bell to get notifications for when I post new videos. Anyways, and also stay tuned. I took contact paper off of my bathroom. That was one of the best videos I think that has ever performed on my channel. You probably found me because of my bathroom makeover. That video will be going live soon, basically showing you kind of how things came about when I took everything down. Telling you the honest truth about everything, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. So this is, I believe, Goodwill trip number 2. Getting rid of stuff. How does it feel?
Getting there.
Yeah. Do you feel good? Do you even miss the stuff you've gotten rid of so far?
I don't even remember it.
Exactly. Yes, but yes, we have a whole car full of stuff, and just realizing today after going through a lot of stuff in our garage how much stuff I have. So working on getting rid of as much stuff as possible because we are downsizing from a 3-bedroom house to a 2-bedroom apartment. So wish us luck. So it is a little after 9 a.m. As you can see, I still have this huge zit on my nose. It's so annoying. So yeah, in the midst of drinking my coffee and about to get started on some packing. We move in 24 days. So went through the garage yesterday and started realizing how much shit I actually have and how much shit I need to get rid of because we're downsizing. So yeah, I'm just mentally preparing. But yeah, let me see what else I can show you. I'm in the midst of filming some sponsored activity, so don't mind that. You can see my office. All right, so mess, total mess, boxes. And then I also have behind me my cube units that I have to store all my my craft storage supplies. And I downsized, I got rid of a lot of stuff. So I don't even think I'm gonna need both of these for the next place. So Mike might use one of them for his musical studio. So we will see. I will share with you some of my progress. I'm gonna be working in the garage a little bit more today. And I'm also gonna try and pack another box in the office. And I think I'm gonna start packing maybe a little bit of the bedroom. Maybe I'll just focus on the living room today. It's so hard to decide. But basically what we've been using for like delicate stuff so far is we've been pulling from our linen closet, like towels and sheets and things that we don't typically use. So like if it's something that we haven't touched in a year, we'll just throw that in there or wrap. Like I packed my altar yesterday with all my crystals, and I used towels and sheets and stuff to like wrap the crystals up. And since we just got married, we had a lot of like old like present bags and tissue paper, so I used a lot of that as well, so I was able to repurpose it. So great stuff. Excited to move. The whole act of moving is so traumatic, and we just got married. We've been married literally for 4 days, and now we're already in the midst of like scrambling with packing to like get the hell out of here. Anyways, wish me luck. So, been very busy. Just wanted to check in. I just finished I didn't finish the box, but I started filling a box, and is a lot of picture frames and things that could easily break, and candles and stuff like that. So I used blankets, towels, things like that to wrap it up so that I didn't have to worry about any damage being done. And then got a couple boxes done in my office. So as you can see, I've got some more stuff going on in here. I cleared out more of my closet in my office, and then obviously you've seen my altar and my cube units that are being cleared. Next up is I'm going to be clearing off my desk so that I can take a picture of it and hopefully sell it before I leave, because I never intended to keep this desk. It was always just a project and ended up just being a desk for me out of convenience at my last apartment. Anyway, so I feel like I look like a hoarder. Like, look at this. It's crazy. So much. So part of the moving process is shredding stuff. I didn't realize how much old paperwork I was holding on to. So you will see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, soon to be 9, plus like 5 in the recycle bin. So like, that's a lot of bags of shredded paper. Feels good to get rid of stuff. Hey babe.
Yeah.
How does it feel to know that we got rid of so much stuff that was piled here?
It was good.
Yeah.
I don't remember what it is.
Right? Why were we holding on to that crap for so long?
Because we're Americans.
All right, so that was trip number 3 for you.
Trip 3.
To Goodwill. So it was my second trip with him, but I literally went through our garage and piled so much stuff that I've been carrying around for years, and I don't know why I was carrying it around. And I'm the same way. I don't miss it at all. I don't even know what was in the pile. I don't miss it. We're downsizing, guys. It's getting real. So I'm kind of horrified to show you what my office currently looks like, but you'll see I have, oh gosh, well, my phone, apparently my tripod's gonna show you what it looks like. So yeah, that's boxes. I'm still figuring out what I'm going to do. Oh, hi. Hey. He is so funny. So still just trying to decide if I'm gonna be keeping these cube units behind me. You'll see my ring light right now. I'm using like natural light. I've been working at my kickboxing studio all day, so I'm like, you know what? I'm just getting on the way I look, so deal with it. Anyways, I have some new product I'm going to be opening up for a sponsored campaign. I'm really excited to open it up. So that's going to be happening later. This little chair my mom got for me with my cats, and I don't have my kitties anymore. They went to go live with some friends, and they're doing so great. So I'm pretty excited to be able to remove this chair because I don't have a space for it. Basically, our mindset now when we're moving into a new place, because we know where we're moving, we're looking around our house thinking, okay, well, where is this gonna go? Where is that gonna go? And if we can't come up with a place that it's gonna go, there's no reason to move it. So another thing that I'm going to be getting rid of, you can see right here, this is my meditation altar. It's basically like wooden crates. You get them at like Michael's, or I think you can get them at Home Depot, or where are some other places? And there are some other, probably Hobby Lobby, that you can get them, and I had painted them and turned them into like an altar that you could flip horizontally or vertically. With the space that I have now, vertically was the best choice. I know you can see the chaos in my house. But yeah, I'm really excited to be taking that to Goodwill, I think, next time, or at the very least, using it like completely deconstructing it, because I have them all assembled together. I am excited to maybe use them for storage for the move, like when we're putting stuff. We're getting a pack rat. So if you've never heard of pack rat, it's like a pod where they deliver it at your house. You load it up with all your stuff, and then they come and pick it up and take it. We didn't want to have to drive a U-Haul across a couple of states with all of our stuff in it, because we wanted to kind of make it into like a little bit of a road trip. So it's going to be a little bit of an adventure, and I'm really excited about it. But our stuff is going to be delivered, I think, by the 19th. We arrive, I think, in Denver on the 13th, I believe. So we're going to be living a couple days without our stuff, but we're going to be staying with family until we move into our place. when our stuff arrives. So pretty excited about it. But yeah, this spot right here that I was showing you guys earlier, this literally was like filled with stuff because we have a 3-bedroom house with a garage, a detached garage. Gosh, my tripod is just not wanting to cooperate. Sorry about that. So with this this garage, like it's such an amazing way to like, it's almost like having another room. It's like a room that we really don't go in. So we've been storing tons of stuff, and I mean, I'm a DIYer, so I have so many supplies, paints, brushes, you know, craft paper, coffee filters, scrapbooking paper, glues, you know, Mod Podge up the yin yang. And it's just like a lot of it I haven't touched in a while. So it's like I'm just holding on to it with the hope that I'm like not gonna need to go make a trip to like a Michael's or a Hobby Lobby or order something on Amazon to get what I need. Sorry, loud motorcycle driving by. And it's just so nice to like let it go. It like, I didn't think it would be. I was like, there's a little bit of fear attached to it. Like, I feel like I'm gonna need this as soon as I get rid of it. And I recommend watching, and I don't know if I've said this in another clip prior to this, I may have, and I may have to edit this out, but if you're downsizing, you should check out the show Tiny House Nation. We've been watching like an episode each night, and it's literally been so inspiring for us to like think of like all the things that we don't need to bring with us. So anything helps, right? Anyway, so my plan for today, because I literally was at the kickboxing studio all day. We already did our 3rd Goodwill trip, and now I'm gonna try and assemble a couple more boxes and see if I can pack up some more stuff. I think I'm gonna attack the bedroom, and I'll show you the decor going on in there. I know that my place is chaotic. I know that there'll probably be comments below, but I'm moving, so it's crazy. And it's definitely, I'm not one of those bloggers that like, my house looks perfect all the time, because it doesn't, because life happens. So I'm going to take you on a little tour of the areas that I'm probably going to work on today, and then we will dive into more fun. Welcome to my messy bedroom. Anyways, so that mirror is coming with us. The bed is coming with us, obviously. Sorry, it is not made. All this decor is stuff I'm going to take down today and pack away. I'm also going to be packing away our little string lights that we have going on here. These drapes for this window were left by my husband's last roommate, and I just got to in the year that I've been here, I had so many other projects going on, I never got to this one. So it will remain unfinished. We have blinds that we get to put back up in it, because I think that's how it was when my husband moved here. So yeah, I'm gonna take down the string lights and remove the bulbs. I'm also gonna pack up the stuff on top of this little dresser. And then that's my violin that I played when I was a child. So that's gonna get packed up safely. And then we also have this dream catcher here. Our landlord already did a walkthrough of our house, and he liked the gray paint that I did in this room. So might just be doing a couple touch-ups, but you don't have to change the color, so I'm pretty stoked about that. And I have a lot of hats and stuff in this chest, so I'm probably going to be packing up a lot of that as well today. But yeah, like, it's crazy how quickly time is going. I think we have 18 days until we move. And when I say 18 days, like, I mean, both my husband and I are going to be gone for about 5 or 6 days of those 18 days. So when we get back, it's going to be like go time. We're going to have so much that we need to accomplish, and I'm pretty excited to just get it done so we can pack up our cars and hit the road. So stay tuned. I will be capturing everything going forward, so as much as I can. I feel bad that I didn't capture my Goodwill trip. I wanted to show you guys how much stuff. I do have a picture of it, so I will include the picture so you can see what it looked like at Goodwill, how much stuff we got. But yeah, I'm gonna do my best to document everything along the way and then post these all up to my channel so you can check it out and be a part of the journey. And I can't wait to post the walkthrough of our new place so you can see my new apartment that we're moving to. And I was a little like, I don't know, I was a little like against moving back into an apartment after moving into a house. But because, you know, this house is a little bit older, I mean, it's definitely got a lot of character. You can see the ceilings are really cool, kind of recessed ceilings. And you know, obviously my office is pretty cool, and I love the window film that I did on the office. And if you haven't seen that video, check it out. It is definitely, I think it's the last video that I posted prior to this one. And yeah, like I feel like there's so much character here. It's just the area isn't the greatest, and I think we're just really looking for a kind of a slower pace, something like a little bit safer and just less expensive. Like, I know everyone knows that Los Angeles is expensive, but I feel like just in the past like 5 years, it's just exploded because so many tech companies have moved here. So rent is literally, oh my God, I think we were looking as a kind of a joke, because the place that we got in Colorado is like less than what we're paying now. And we're getting an extra bathroom, and it's still like, it's 1,000 square feet. Right now, I think we're close to 1,000 square feet in our home. But it's like $1,883 a month, I think. And this type of apartment, like in LA, if it were here, would probably be like $4,000 a month. So it's just crazy. Like, location really is everything. And I'm just excited to, as I said, live a slower paced life. I have a new job that I'm going to be starting there, and I'm really stoked to be starting that. And I'm going to be working at a gym, personal training, potentially managing this location. And yeah, I feel so lucky that I have like this, you know, creative side of me that I get to express, and then I also have like my fitness side that, you know, really fulfills me as well. So it's important to love what you do, right? Anyway, so I will get back to you guys with more information as soon as I have more footage, but this is where we're at. And I am so excited to have you here. Please, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, we're a little more candid, not so staged, please like this video and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think. Anyways, all right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.